Welcome to BitcoinMF, guys. Good morning. Beautiful Sunday morning. Today I want to do a quick video of how I see the market today. I remind you, this is not a financial advice in any way. So please make your decisions and do your own research. So if you've been following for the last days, we talked about it also in the videos and also in the Discord server, that we look at this line right now as resistance. And what I want to see is, because everybody is screaming bull the last days, and we get all these news, bullish news in the Facebook coin and the BNB margin and WhatsApp crypto. Everybody is like boiling in the crypto scene, and everybody is waiting for BTC to moon, because we have after this what I mean, after the bear market, we have like 2-3 months of green candles, and everybody is going nuts. Okay, this is a really good time to make profits and to close profits also, I think. And it is a really good time also to see and try to catch the next moves and try to figure out where we're gonna be. So as always, you know me, I'm lazy. I don't know what Bitcoin will do. I just share my opinions and the way I see the market, okay? I know you guys follow lots of other crypto influencers. They're probably more popular than me, and it's okay. Actually, it's even better, because what is unique, I think, is that when a community is following much people, and they start to share what they discover, okay? So it really leverages, in my opinion, the info that the community holds, okay? And I can see it on the daily basis on the Discord servers that I'm subscribed to. And if you want to follow my Discord server, which I always update every day, and I write things there, as so you can find it, all the links on the description, of course. So okay, enough of the blah blah and the mumbles. Let's talk TA a little bit. So as I said, this resistance line, right now we still didn't break it, and it seems to like reach like this double tap, and here we have another little tap. So even a triple tap, I don't know, it doesn't matter how you call it. But what matters now, in my opinion, is this day is started red, okay? And while everybody is waiting for the price to pop up, which I can totally understand, okay? In my opinion, people are a little bit blind because of all the bull euphoria, and they wait here, this candle, they wait if it can close like somewhere here, or maybe, because if it closes somewhere here, then it means that the bears are not strong enough, not like we can see here, like it was whoa. So the bears will probably be weak, and price action sustains, and it holds, all these beautiful words, and we shoot up, okay? So okay, I agree that it can be happen, but also I always look at the other side of what can be, because if I know something that so I don't know how to explain it, I know that everybody knows it, okay? So always forward. So if this happens, and today we get BTC a little bit down, but not down here and not down here like I honestly wanted, but never mind. If we get it here, so people will say, oh my god, it's can't be sold, it's gonna moon, everything will project us the moon, and we're gonna shoot up. When we're gonna shoot up, we first need to break out this line. When we break this line, we come to this area, you know this. And when we come to this area, we need to sustain this line and break this line. And if it also really explodes and really catches up this bull move that we talk about, the potential bull move, so it can also break this line and try to test this line. And every time it tests the line, it also retests the line for support from the other side. You know how it works. So what I actually think, in my personal opinion, that is going to happen, and we can open the indicators just a little bit to try to see it better. In my opinion, it will go down, but it will also not pop up, and it will also continue to go sideways or down. This is what I see for now, for today. It doesn't mean it's gonna happen. It can change. I can see in the course of the day something in the market or some news or I don't know what that can change my mind. But right now, I'm looking at this like this. I'm looking that the daily is going red. I'm looking that the RSI is not at a good place, not in a high place, not in the top, like the basic bear setup, if you know what I mean. But here we have this little thingy, and it goes like it wants to curve down. And as you know, if you follow me, I always look at this stupid simple thing, RSI 50. Because when the RSI is above 50, price going up, and when his RSI is below 50, price is going down. But it's a general talk, you know what I mean. If this RSI can break this line and go below the 50, it can be triggered to go into the negative phase, which will mean that price will come down, or at the best scenario, if you're a bull, of course, it goes sideways. And why I say this? Because also this indicates also the volume is decreasing, okay? And we need lots of buy volume in order to save this candle or the next candle. So actually the only way it's gonna pop is like some sort of manipulation and some sort of artificial pump, in my opinion, because retails, they can pump this. Only the big boys can pump. So this is what I see. And the RSI is going a little bit to the 50 area, and of course we can find support on the 50 area, and this will cause the price to shoot up a little bit, maybe. So this brings me back to the bull scenario. Okay, so this is what I watch for the bull scenario. But if it breaks the 50, I watch if it goes more down, okay, because it's only logical. So never forget that those are lagging, indicators are lagging, so this is a little bit of a problem, but this is the way we use it. Also, this MACD, you see, it shows us that there is a start of this negative phase, okay? And only the stochastic is plain stochastic RSI is playing with us and not showing what he wants to do. But we keep follow and we update. Okay, if we break this down, okay, to the 12-hour, and also I forgot, if I change to Aikenashi and I add the BB bands as I always do, and add the BitcoinMF strategy for give me the signals, okay, and we can see on the 12-hour Aikenashi chart that here we have a double-edged red candle, and this indicates that sometimes it can suggest a trend reverse, okay? Right now it is trying to hold this support on the strategy EMA and mid BB, but it doesn't mean that in few hours it can go down more, okay, in my opinion, like we saw here. Okay, you see a double edge and it goes down, double edge and it tries to go down, but a little bit, you know what I mean. Double edge but false and it goes up, double edge but false and it goes up, okay? So pay attention. This is the 12-hour. Let's go to the 4-hour. If you followed yesterday, I wrote in the server that I think somewhere around here or here, I searched for this support, and I said that if the candle closes below the green dotted, there is a chance for us to go more down. And this is still valid today. But again, when it will be closed, if of course it closes below, so the next move is to test it for resistance, okay? So be careful with this, but this is the way I watch it. You see, we can see that it's kind of trying to hold, But in my opinion, if we look closer also at the volume is rising, the RSI is falling, here is falling. In my opinion, it can go down more, at least to this line, and usually to the BB, but I don't want to just throw words in the air. We follow. On the 1 hour, okay, also the same kind of shit. We can see the volume increasing. We can see the RSI has already broke the 50 level, so it's signaling like kind of short. But again, as I always say, everybody knows that after 2 or 3, 4 candles red, you don't short, okay? So what happens? You see, 1, 2, 3, I don't short, boom, and I even long, let's say, for example, it underwaters the traders, and then they go, but no, you know, it's already 5, 6 candles red, so I must not short now because it's probably gonna shoot up like here. And this is the points which I look for, okay? Because if everybody knows not to short, it means you need to short. Generally, you know what I mean. And if everybody knows that it will now go up, you need to short, because this is the way it works. It never works like the way you actually want it. You know what I mean, okay? Even if you press the button and you win after a few seconds, it doesn't mean it's gonna go the way you need it. And I hope you can understand what I'm saying here, because this is, for me, is very, very important. So again, volume on the 1 hour is increasing, RSI is below, and everybody knows that after 2, 3, 4 candles red, you don't short. Also, the BB bands here, you see, it can make the price action go inside the BB bands. But I think that first of all, we need to see if price goes up to the green dotted, and if it fails to break up the green dotted, then it means that we're gonna go and get some more down move. 30 minutes, we can see that we have a bearish cross a little bit of the EMA of the strategy, 16 in 48. It's no secret, you can read all about it in the links below in the description. And again, the BB bands, I watch it because it goes to the bottom BB bands. It can pop back to the bands themselves, okay? And 15 minutes, the scalper's time frame, as I call it, we can see that from here and from here there is a move down, okay? You can see what I talk about the BB bands. You see, boom, pierce the BB bands, and goes right to the second edge of the BB bands and plays with us, touches here, plays, one to go. But if everybody listen to lazy every time, they're gonna get burned, okay? This is important. Boom, schlag, boom, and you see this, and now it's like getting into the up, in my opinion, because it's failed to do this 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. This is the 4th time. And again, I'm not in the rush. I don't care. I mean, I care, but I'm not in the rush, because I want to see first that price action breaks my EMA, breaks this mid BB, breaks this EMA, even breaks this. Because for me, it's not about the price. For me, it's about how I get more Bitcoin. And how I get more Bitcoin is if I a little bit neglect the price and I just cut the moves. I don't want to make the best move. I don't want to buy the bottom, sell the top, or I don't know what you call it. I want BTC. Okay, I don't care. I can sell here and I can take it here. I don't care. I will do it in a few hours again. It's okay. So, this is my kind of setup. Of course, everyone is different, and not everyone is the same, and I understand it, but it's important for me to understand how I trade and how I watch these things, okay? So I hope this helps you guys to understand a little bit better what I'm posting on the server and all. And please, you're welcome to check all the links, and maybe join the Telegram group. It gives the scanner of the pattern scanner. It gives the signals, but again, it also share my trades there. But it's not a financial advice, so please be careful, okay? Because not always I win. But this is what I do, because I do it. And I hope you enjoy it. Smash the like, hit the subscribe. What else? I don't know. Keep a good vibe. Good luck. Trade safe. And we'll see you next time. Bye bye.